Hi, my name is David Malamed. I'm a forensic accountant and fraud investigation expert, and welcome back to uncoverfraud.com. Today we're going to be talking about Reddit and the retail investor and the effect that social media really has on investments. Before I begin, let me tell you a couple things. First of all, please don't forget to subscribe and like below. Leave me some comments. I always try to respond to all of them, and I appreciate you for signing in to my channel. I know there's lots of choice out there, so hopefully you find this interesting. You know, when the retail investor is making money, it seems that the ears of the regulatory body perk up and they start looking into things. Now, social media, such as Twitter, LinkedIn, Reddit, Facebook, all actually are used by investors to do research on their stock picks. Meaning that the old scheme, the pump and dump scheme, is possible doing it all online. Now, the Reddit user group will argue that they were just having discussions. They were just talking about things, mulling things about, looking at the pros and cons. But really what you're looking at is an organized way to do a pump and dump. If you are the leader or have a loud voice in one of these user groups, potentially what you would do is go out, buy a bunch of options or stock of a stock that is performing well or not well, and then start publishing whether that stock is going to crash, take off, or explode. And by doing that, you are influencing millennials and Gen Z. You know, you used to think that the Reddit reader for investments was a 40-plus-year-old. But really what we're looking at today is it's a 17-year-old and up. What we're seeing is apps such as Robinhood that are coming out that are putting investments into the hands of teenagers who may or may not, in most instances, do not have enough investment education or experience, and allowing them to do nothing more than gamble. Whether it is a piece of one share or thousands of dollars, it is an open avenue for the uneducated investor to get involved. And I can tell you that every time I turn on YouTube or TikTok or social media, I'm seeing people out there telling me how they've made millions in cryptocurrency, millions in investing in stocks, and it is extremely attractive. And it's something that everybody wants. You want to make an investment and you want to have a significant return, if that's possible. However, you need to take into consideration the fact that a pump and dump scheme, whether it is done using a user group or a different social media platform, is exactly what it is, a pump and dump, meaning that the people that first got into the investment know whether they're going to sell or buy or hold from the start. But the retail investor who may jump on that train may be in for a dramatic loss of their investment. Now, every investor starting off should invest slowly. Don't push all your chips in at one time. Understand what you're investing in and do your due diligence. You know, it's not just financial diligence that needs to be done, but if we take a company like Nikola was an electric vehicle company who said that they had a laundry list of pre-sold electric vehicle trucks when in fact they did not. They had a list of individuals interested in the trucks, but that had not committed anything financially or were responsible to commit anything financially or even take one of the trucks. They also told you that those trucks worked, that the electric vehicle trucks actually worked when they didn't. They bluffed. They lied. When you look at Reddit, Reddit is a public forum. Do not think that just because you are reading Reddit, that it is gospel, that it is what you should and should not invest into. Most of the time when you see or read news, it is too late for you to get involved. If you invest in tricky types of investments that you may not understand what the company does, or you may not see the upside, but are being compelled to buy because of what social media is promoting, stop for a second and ask yourself, does this make sense? Am I investing or am I gambling? And can I lose this money or not? I want to warn you out there that there are many scams and schemes and frauds where people want to take your money. And using a user group with a large following is the easiest way to do a pump and dump stock investment scam. So be careful out there. Look, again, my name is David Malamed, and I am a forensic accountant and fraud investigation expert. To find out more about me and the services we offer, please visit uncoverfraud.com. If you liked this video, which I hope you did, please don't forget to subscribe and like it below. If you want to see what it is that I do, please feel free to watch my video, What is a Forensic Accountant? Or other videos that I have on different topics of fraud. Until next time, be well and God bless.